Hello, let's talk about how to replace a blade drive assembly on a detachable blade clipper. You will need a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new blade drive assembly. To remove the blade from your clipper, place your thumb at the top of the blade and push away from the clipper. Now, gently pull the blade off of the mounting hinge. Remove the drive cap. Make sure that you position the drive bearing to the lowest point to ensure your new blade drive will line up correctly. Now, remove the 2 small silver screws by turning counterclockwise with your number 1 Phillips head screwdriver and place them in a safe spot. Use a small flathead screwdriver to lift under both sides of the blade drive at the points where the screws were removed. Next, remove the blade drive from the unit and dispose of it. Insert the new blade drive just as you remove the old one and tighten the 2 silver screws clockwise back into place. Now, replace the drive cap. Then, slide the blade bracket onto the mounting hinge and snap it into place by pushing the blade towards the clipper. Thanks for watching this Andis Education video. Don't forget to share it.